Mom, time to get out.
The countdown has begun and I'm less than a week away for Adam's extreme off-road adventure. This is my last weekend before I head out on this adventure, and it's time to get my Jeep prepped, get all my gear in, test it out, make sure there's nothing I'm missing, make sure everything's set up and it will work. So last night I slept in my Jeep. I put everything in it that I plan on having in my Jeep and I tested it out. There's a few little changes I need to make. But I wanted to show you the inside where I have everything set up, my basement, my attic, and my main floor. So I'm going to give you a little tour of the inside of my Jeep. So the main level of my Jeep is where I sleep. This is where I have my mattress from Mattress Firm, my sleeping bag, and my pillow. Also on the main level are my two More Ride ammo can carrier MOLLE panel shelves, which go over the wheel wells of my Jeep. There's places for your MOLLE bags and a shelf for the ammo cans, but I use the canvas Craftsman bags. And then behind the MOLLE panel, in between the MOLLE panel and the wheel well, is a space where you can store stuff. So right now I have two of them, and on each side are the Craftsman bags, and each of those Craftsman bags are like my kitchen, my jet boil, some bowls and cups and cooking utensils. Also on the main level, on the sides of the mattress, I'll be storing my bag of camera gear and my giveaways, my chapstick will I'll be giving away along the route. Also, I have a seat back panel and I have it on my driver's side seat, and in there it's kind of like my medicine cabinet. I have my medicine, my body wipes, things that you'll need at a moment's notice, like my chapstick. I took the back seats out of my Jeep and I had a platform made so I can sleep in the Jeep, and that's my basement underneath, and that's where I store all my recovery gear. Things like my high lift jack, my kinetic rope from extreme terrain, tools, my rain boots, all the things that I would need in case of a recovery. Also underneath the front seat of my driver's seat and passenger seat, I always, no matter what, I always keep my recovery strap, my tree strap, my shackles, my gloves. I keep those under there for easy grabbing if I need to recover myself or somebody else. Those things I'm hoping I won't have to get to that often, and all I'll need to do is lift up the platform to grab stuff, or I can just pull it when I open the side doors. So my attic is a shelf that I got from MOLLE Platform Solutions. It's a steel shelf that sits on the roll bars. I just strap it on using the Velcro grab handles that I have, and that keeps it in place, plus the weight of the items that I have on there help hold it in. And right now I have these Husky bags up there, and this is where I have my clothes. MOLLE Platform Solutions shelf also allows me to hang some clothes. I have my hooded sweatshirts hanging there for now. I'm sure as I travel I will change things around a bit. So as I was sleeping last night, testing everything out to see how well it worked, I noticed that I had a hard time with one of the MOLLE bags on the MOLLE shelf. So I'm going to take that out. It's just full of ropes and bungee cords, which I won't need that often. So I'm going to pull it out and put it underneath in the basement for now to give me a more comfortable sleep. Oh, I forgot to tell you one more thing. On the tailgate of my Jeep, I have the MOLLE tailgate panel, which I got from Justice Off-Road, and it allows me to put MOLLE bags on here with different things. I have my first aid kit, bungee cords, duct tape, gloves, and some rags. And that is an awesome place to store items you may need that you need to get to quickly. So there you go, the inside of my Jeep. I slept in it last night. I had a great sleep on the Mattress Firm mattress. It worked out perfectly. I just have to move some things around in the rear of my Jeep and it will be good to go.